Welcome back to CW&D. Today, we're kicking off our next custom cabinet project, starting with the cabinet boxes. We'll show you how we take raw materials and turn them into finished cabinets, sharing our process every step of the way. Let's get started. Today, we are starting by cutting down these 3/4 inch 4x8 sheets of UV coated maple and birch plywood. These will be used for our cabinet boxes. The first step is to set our table saw so we get nice repeatable cuts. This is key to making sure everything will fit perfect later on when we assemble the boxes. With the saw fired up, we are getting right to ripping our sheets. Thanks to our huge outfeed table that we built the other day, handling these sheets is pretty manageable solo now. Check out that build in the previous video if you missed it. We work through these sheets one by one, cutting them down to size. With the first set of cuts done, it's time to keep going and get all of our pieces ready for assembly. Once these are done, we'll jump over to our Kreg jig table, where we'll be drilling all of our pocket holes, which will be used in the next video when we install our face frames. Now that our plywood pieces are cut, it's time to plan ahead for when we have to install our face frames. We do this by drilling our pocket holes now to save us time. The Kreg pocket hole table makes this process quick and consistent. After adjusting the settings for the material thickness, we place the first piece on the table and start drilling. The clamp on the built-in handle secures everything in place so the holes are precise every time. It's smooth, repetitive process, drilling through each panel and ensuring every piece is ready for the next step. Consistency here will save a ton of time when it's time to assemble. These pocket holes are clean, sturdy, and perfectly aligned for securing the face frames. With this prep done, we're ready to start building our cabinet boxes. It's now time to assemble our cabinet boxes. We start by lining up our pieces, double checking the fit, and making sure everything is square and ready to go. We pre-drill the holes using a countersink drill bit. This lets our screws sit flush with the surface, so we can later install a 1/4 inch plywood skin to hide all of the screws and give the cabinets a clean, finished look. With the first screws in, the cabinet starts to take shape. The key here is keeping everything tight and perfectly aligned. From here, it's all about repeating the process, working through the rest of the panels. The pocket holes we drilled earlier aren't used in this step, but they will be essential later on for our face frames. And here's the result, a fully assembled cabinet box, ready for the next steps. In our next video, we'll cover how we build and assemble our face frames. Trust me, you don't want to miss all of our little tricks to making sure it's perfectly aligned every time.
Thanks for watching CW&D. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss what's coming up next. We'll catch you in the next one.